How do you concatenate lists in Python? So in this video you will learn how to concatenate two lists in Python. Okay guys, I'm Moses from Learn Python. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So in this video we are going to learn how to concatenate two lists in Python. So here we have list 1, we have list 2 and list 3. So to concatenate two lists, use addition operator. Therefore it is list 1 plus list 2. That is the first method, as you can see here. List 1 plus list 2. Okay, and we store the result in list joined. So that is the first method. The second method is to use state expression like this. So you start with asterisk sign followed by the name of list. So here we concatenate three Python lists: list 1, list 2 and list 3. Then we print the result, which is stored in list joined 2. So if I run this program, you can see the output. So you can see this is concatenation of two Python lists, and this is the result of concatenating three Python lists. Thanks for watching. This is an end of our today's session. What is your experience on concatenating lists in Python? Put a comment below. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for the next video update.